What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into some more Eurovision Song Contest 2026. Eva Marija with Mother Nature. Let's jump in, check it out together for Luxembourg. See where we go. Obviously, go show Eurovision Luxembourg all the love of the world.
From the start, when all was fun and games,
She got
wasn't
a.
hard.
I like unique voices, and she got one that just stands out. Like from now on, if you hear somebody sing, you're gonna know that it's her. Just she has her own unique sound.
Wasn't hard, but all good things can end. Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight. And even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows.
Oh, this is catchy.
Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
Sometimes you gotta go back to your roots. Sometimes you gotta go back to the start. Sometimes we gotta get reconnected with nature. You want some healing? You want to feel better? Try it out. I'm saying. There's so many things about this. It's damn near spiritual.
Mother Nature, she knows. See the leaves, how they grow back again. And I heal and learn to love myself again. Even when there's thunder, oh, I don't have to wonder, who am I?
I love the excitement on her face.
As I'm howling at the wind, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
I love her whole aura.
Merci. Thank you so much, Luxembourg.
Oh my God. Absolutely one I will listen to over and over again. It's catchy. It's upbeat. It's got some very real things in there. Sometimes you got to go back to the start. Sometimes you got to remember where your roots, remember where you came from. Get a little bit more in tune with that. Look at nature, man. Every time something bad happens, she can heal. We live in a world where there's all kinds of natural remedies and things right around you. There's so many different levels to this. Like this could be so many different things. Everyone's gonna interpret it differently. But it's a healing, powerful song for me. Get over it, show her the love. Shout out to all the Luxembourg folks out there. If this is your number one, let me know down in the comment section. Hit the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but it won't believe you. Tell the next one, Miley Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.